So here's how you can sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program, and it's actually really easy to do. You just want to make sure that you follow throughout this whole video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Also, if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please be sure to subscribe to the channel as it really helps out. Alright, so the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open up the search engine like Google Chrome, and then just simply type in Fiverr affiliate. Now you're going to be led up to this page, Fiverr affiliate program, and then you want to go ahead and click on sign up, which is this third option. Now keep in mind, I do have the Fiverr app downloaded, so if you want to be in the exact same steps as me, you want to go ahead and download the Fiverr app, or else you're going to be logged into the website version, which can still work. It's just going to look slightly different from my page. So now you'll be brought up to the sign in page where you essentially just want to enter in your first and last name. You don't want to fake this. Don't be dumb. Just enter in your real name. But in this case, I'm going to enter in some fake name for security purposes. Fred Bob, and then your email address. You want to make sure it's somewhat professional, but I was going to enter in like fredbob@gmail.com. Now for your username, again, you want to be something that's really easily remembered, so just enter in your own name. That would be the best. So I'd just say Fred_Bob to go to. And then for your password, just make sure it's something that is protected enough so that way you don't get hacked easily. Just enter in some random password. Alright, now once you have entered in your password, you want to scroll down, and then now it says account type. Go click on that, and then now you can choose if you want your account type to be a private account or a company account. In most cases, you can just say private. It doesn't really matter unless you do own a company and you're planning to use it for company purposes. So now it says, do you have a main source of traffic? So in this case, if you have a large following on any type of social media, such as Instagram, YouTube, whatever, then you can click on it and say yes or no. But in this case, you just want to be truthful. So if you don't, then you can say no, that's not a problem. So yeah, there you go. Now with your country, you want to go ahead and enter in your country from here. And then your language, English or whatever language you speak primarily. Now you also need a Skype account in order to sign up for Fiverr affiliate programs. So just enter in your Skype. If you don't have one, then what I suggest you to do is go ahead and make a Skype account and then just enter in your username from there. So once you have done everything in here properly, you want to go ahead and click on next. Whoops. And then that's going to lead you into this page. Tell us a little more about yourself. It says, how do you plan to promote Fiverr services? So in this case, you want to enter in how you want to plan to promote it. The best option for you to type in is search engine optimization and YouTube. So essentially with search engine optimization, you're basically making videos that are targeted for specific audiences that are searching for stuff. That's what I'm doing right now, is I've created a tutorial on how to sign up for Fiverr affiliate program, and that targeted you because you searched up how to do that. So that is essentially what SEO is, and then you can enter in any other sorts of promotions that you want to use. I'm just going to add in YouTube, and then that's it. Now if we scroll down right over here, it says, what are your audience's key interest in? In this case, if you don't really know what to put, which is going to be me, you can just put in anything, for example, business, fun and lifestyle, and then once you can also type in other. In this case, you can enter in whatever you think your audience fits best. So let's say if you post like gym videos and your audience is from gym, then you can say like health and fitness or something like that. And then simply tap these two boxes that says I agree to their terms and conditions and private policy. You can go ahead and double check everything in here and then simply click on register now. And then as you can see, we have now officially signed up for the Fiverr affiliate program. You don't have to be approved or anything. You just immediately get accepted in. So you can click on start doing and go ahead and enjoy your Fiverr affiliate program.